everyone, this week's recipe is for grilled pork sausage. Thank you all for your recipe requests. This one seems to be a favorite, so I'm happy to share it. Next week, we'll use this grilled pork sausage to make another tasty dish, so please stay tuned. We need the following ingredients: brown sugar, roasted rice powder, onion powder, baking powder, ground white pepper, finely minced garlic, fish sauce, vodka 5-spice marinade, vegetable oil, and ground pork. Into the stand mixer, let's add brown sugar, roasted rice powder, onion powder, baking powder, ground white pepper, the minced garlic, fish sauce, vodka 5-spice marinade, and vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients together on low speed for about 1 minute. Now let's add half of the ground pork into the mixing bowl. And then we mix together on low speed for about 1 minute. Let's add the remaining ground pork, and again mix on low for another minute. Scrape the meat from the whisk and back into the mixing bowl. This time we set the speed to medium and we mix for 3 minutes. When we're finished, we should have this smooth meat mixture that's evenly blended with all of the spices. Next, we divide into equal sized portions. This recipe makes approximately 8 skewers, so each portion is about 4 ounces. We start by placing the plastic wrap on our cutting board. It should be just a bit longer than the bamboo skewer. These skewers are 12 inches long. We take one of the meatballs and start flattening it, making a log that's approximately 2 inches wide by 9 inches long. Take the bamboo skewer and press it into the middle of the meat log. Now holding the plastic wrap, we press the meat together, covering the skewer. Cover the sausage with plastic wrap and then roll it back and forth, evening it out. We can smooth it further to make sure the meat is evenly distributed. Let's also round off the ends. Now unroll from the plastic wrap. Lightly wet our fingers with water and smooth the sausage if needed. We keep going until all the sausage is made. Our first method of cooking will be using this indoor grill. Heat the grill over medium heat, and when it's nice and hot, add a generous amount of oil. We grill the sausage for a total of 15 minutes. After every 5 minutes, rotate the sausage so they cook evenly. As they're cooking, brush them with a little bit more oil so they don't stick to the grill. The second option for cooking this is to use the outdoor grill. These grills are typically hotter, and so the cooking time will be a little bit less, approximately 10 minutes. Again, we want to rotate often so the meat is evenly cooked. The third cooking option is to bake these at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the sausage over and then cook for another 10 minutes. Instead of making skewers, we can also make these delicious meatballs. Bake the meatballs at 375 degrees for a total of 15 minutes. About halfway through, flip the meatballs so they get evenly brown. For the last 5 minutes, we can set the oven to broil to brown them up even further. To make a really easy and tasty dish, we can serve the meatballs or sausage skewers over thin rice noodles. Stay tuned. Next week, I'll share the recipe for these fresh spring rolls, including the essential dipping sauce. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out runawayrice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.